Welcome, in front of me I have XIAOMI Mi A2 Lite, and in this video I will show you how you can use Pro Mode in this smartphone. So simply we have to open the camera, and when you are here we have to go for the right side and we have to find the manual mode. And unfortunately there is no a lot of options that we can customize, but let's take a look. We got here at the first the white balance. So when you are here in the white balance, we can basically, besides the white balance presence, we can also set the white balance to a custom value with the value between, it was probably 2000 to 8000 as I remember. So here we got the few default options. We can also set up as a auto mode. And the next option, there's the called ISO sensitivity. So here we can, the ISO value can be determined automatically, like here, by the light meter. But we can also change the value manually, like in the white balance. And we have to remember that the higher ISO will make our camera more sensitivity to light. So take a look when I set up, for example, 3200, as you can see we put more light to the sensor, but to be honest it's not working good. In this phone there is no real difference between 100 and 3000, so honestly don't use that mode in the smartphone because it looks terrible. Just go simply for that straight photo mode where you can take really nice looking photo. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.